Brazy. Outside of Crazy Ken Brazy in the 13 car, 13J is Jeremiah Gusk in that 1967 Pontiac Tempest. I remember when all these cars used to be all big cars, great big Impalas and station wagons and all that stuff. I don't ever remember a station wagon being good, but we're getting ready to go racing here.
You never know.
The pace car ducks on down as the Roadrunners are going to pick up Dominic Lundy, setting the pace. They come. Green flag, and we're Roadrunner racing. 3 wide right off the get-go.
And it's the 7 of Josh Caven.
And Bill Baum.
Yeah, I was going to say Bill Baum's in the Lonsberry in the 22 having some issues as the 18R of Robbie Robinson also working his way in there. And Justin Wagner, your top 5 of the Roadrunners so far. That 22 car of Dwayne Lounsbury, your leader in points. Double dipping here today. Bandits as well as the Roadrunners. Out of Beloit, Wisconsin. And he's holding the pace.
So it's Lounsbury, Cavan, Balms, Robinson, and Wagner, your top 5. And rookie Dominic Lundy holding out in 6th. And Kurt Neiswager, the first victim of the evening, as he's going to go into the pits.
Yeah, the 19 cars had some problems here today. Speaking of problems, having some problems over there, the number 7 car.
Did you see that? He hung on to it.
Yeah.
Almost went the wrong way into the wall.
Josh Cavan having some issues over there. But he continues to stay on the green pace, which is where you want to be, especially if they're the 22 car right now. Dwayne Lounsbury is kind of running away with the show with the 64 of William Balmus right behind him, and the 18R, Robbie Robinson and Justin Wagner. Again, your top 4 currently.
Yeah, after that move there of Josh Cavan, he might have to check his shorts at the end of the race because that was pretty scary.
It was kind of scary as the 13J of Jeremiah Gusk is going to be lapped here by the 22 and the leaders. Lounsbury will check the line in the lead. Balmus in 2nd. Robinson in 3rd, and Wagner in 4th. But it's at 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury. He's continuing to pull away from the pack.
So it's Lounsbury, Balms, Robinson, Wagner, Cavan, Lundy, Rodden, Brazy, and Gusk is your group right now on the track.
Lundy continuing to hold the pace. 8 through of this Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunner. Balmus trying to hold off the 18 of Robbie Robinson in that 2nd spot as they'll go into turns 3 and 4. Lounsbury in that 22 still out front. Balmus in 2nd. Robinson in 3rd. Wagner in a far 4th. Far as your leaders. As the 22 of Lounsbury's coming back around on that 13J of Jeremiah Gusk out of Loves Park, Illinois. And he will just duck to the inside and forget the rest of that as the 22 of Lounsbury continues to lead.
Well, this is an old car. It's actually the oldest car on the track, so I guess maybe something's going wrong with that 67 Pontiac Tempest there.
I agree. Lounsbury continuing to hold the pace. Balmus still holding off Robbie Robinson in that 18R. And the 73 of Justin Wagner. A couple of cars behind them.
Kind of hard to tell if Balms is running them down or not there, as they've kind of been that same distance there for quite a while.
And I think Robbie Robinson right on his tail as Lounsbury comes around some lap traffic. Crazy Ken Brazy in that 81 machine. As Lounsbury, the point leader, continues to hold out front. Balmus in 2nd. Robbie Robinson in an 18R, driving in hard in 3rd. Justin Wagner in a far 4th. As Robinson and Balms getting into it in turns 3 and 4. Balmus in that 64 still hanging pace as that 18R is right on his tail. But they're all trying to catch that 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury, as the 88X of Keegan Rodden will check off the track. Balmus and Robinson in second and third. Lounsbury had a nice cozy lead, and it's slowly creeping away. 16 laps in. Battle's been for second most of the way between the 64 of William Balmus and the 18 of Robbie Robinson. Wagner in a close but long fourth. As the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury continues to run the pace. Balmus and Robinson. Turn 3 and 4, making it tight with 1 to go. Someone's going to have to make a move. They're going to have to make it right now. They're going to run out of time. Still that 22 car of Dwayne Lounsbury out front. Can Robbie catch William? I don't think so. Your winner, Dwayne Lounsbury, second. The 64 car of William Balmus, the 18 car of Robbie Robinson in third. The 73 of Justin Wagner in fourth, and rounding off your top 5 is the number 7 car of Josh Cavan. Those are your top 5 for the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners. It is Dwayne Lounsbury's 5th feature win. He's got 3 heats in his back pocket. From Beloit, Wisconsin, the Raw Steel Collision Center, Northwoods Auto Sales, part of the prime sponsors for that 85 Chevy Monte Carlo.
What a race. As Dwayne Lounsbury probably just pulled away farther in the points, as he's currently the points leader in the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunner division. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as he's slowly going to get out of his car. It's Dwayne Lounsbury. Dwayne, come on over here. Let's get a little interview here. You made it look easy, threw it in cruise control. You got any sponsors, anybody you want to thank, sir?
Yeah, I got Woods. I got a couple of new ones, really, but I'm getting them figured out.
Very nice. Very good run. You're currently sitting in first. Definitely helped you just kind of pull away tonight there. So once again, congratulations. Do you have any help you want to thank real quick? Any pit crew members?
Yeah, to thank my dad, my cousin Doug, my brother Chad, my cousin Brad, my friend James. Just thank you guys. You know, over the winter, it's everybody's dream to come down here and win a title, and that's what we got our eyes on.
Absolutely, and you are almost there as the season's going on. Once again, Dwayne Lounsbury.